And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders and analysts. Happy Monday again. How is everybody? And welcome. This is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101. Today it's March. March 18. Man, time flies so fast, right? Alright. What we have today? Adjusting the original Fibonacci in a downtrend. Wow, everybody. As always, if you want to receive the free manual, everybody, open an account, $0. You have the discount code to record, okay, and then send me an email. Otherwise, never forget you're going to graduate from the course when you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have a strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. And number three, you have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. For questions and homeworks, you have my Gmail, and for extra webinars, seminars, courses, or a happy hour, you have Skype too, right? Yeah, virtual happy hour. Virtual happy hour. Alright, everybody, so adjusting the original Fibonacci in a downtrend. So from the manual, I was reading the manual, okay, and everybody, again, if electricity goes down, they are constructing a new building near me. So if for any reason the stream goes down, then just give me a minute or two, okay? So for the electricity to get back. But that being said, from the manual, we need to talk about a little bit trading, alright? So this is GBP CAD monthly chart where we draw the original Fibonacci. Now, where do you think the weekly and the daily Fibonacci should start? Well, should be on the same, right? Weekly and daily Fibonacci must start on the same level as the monthly and be dynamically adjusted. Remember to follow the rules for each A, B, C, D points, everybody. And there is only one correct C retracement in the chart. Remember, the C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low inside the AB boundary. Okay, the C retracement is the lowest point. Now, where should the stop loss go? Below the C or below the A? Where? Right? Should the stop loss go below the A or should the stop loss go below the C? Forex Course 101, Fibonacci trading rule, trading the Fibonacci sequence, the stop loss must be placed below the Fibonacci tool, below the A, or you are not trading the Fibonacci's. You are trading something else. Alright? I know that I'm boring sometimes, but I cannot state enough this rule. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. And stop loss goes on the pattern traded. And still, this is where beginner traders or stubborn traders get creative and start to mix apples with bananas. Well, I did it too, alright? Yeah, me too. 20 years ago, I was mixing apples and oranges, and I'm telling you, it doesn't work. Trading gets easy when we start to understand that the tradable patterns have rules. And if you don't obey the rules of the pattern, well, you are not trading that specific pattern anymore. Does this make sense? Psychologically, this is the most difficult part for you to understand, to move from Forex Course 101 to Forex Course 202, the Advanced Institutional Trader Program. Now listen to this. Whatever reasoning factory you use and tell yourself on why you should break the rules of a pattern, you are not trading that pattern anymore. You are trading something else, when you lose, your brain is not going to understand why the trade went wrong. Wow, right? This is all from the manual. So if this is true, it is a surprise to you that you are not making it. I mean, not being consistently profitable. You are working hard, you are staring at charts 24/7. You tried countless strategies, didn't you? And nothing seems to work for you in terms of consistency, right? Well, pat yourself on the back because you are not alone. You just never learned how this business is done. Good news, in the Forex course, Choo, everything is going to make sense to you. Alright? Guaranteed. So if I enter the market buying GBP CAT, going long on GBP CAT, and in the process I'm going to put the stop loss below the C, which is the low of the short-term trend, the red one, the red line. And if the market stops me out, guess what I'm going to tell myself? I'm going to tell myself, oh, Fibonacci doesn't work, right? Exactly, here is how the conversation goes every single time. The student is going to tell me, boss, the Fibonacci doesn't work. And I'm going to tell the student, well, guess what? You didn't read the Fibonacci, my friend. Make sense, everybody? You see something like this. You see the short-term uptrend. The red line is making higher highs, higher lows. That's the C. You know, your stop loss should go below the A. But because of risk-reward ratio, you are going to put the stop loss below the C. And I'm here to tell you, with all kindness, alright, I'm a nice guy, you didn't trade the Fibonacci. Yes, I did. No, you didn't. Fibonacci trading rule. Stop loss must go below the C. Make sense, everybody? It's a must. Oh, yes, but I don't want to hear yes, but it's a must. Stop loss go in the Fibonacci. In the Fibonacci mastery, you are going to learn risk management techniques. Alright, you are going to learn that risk-reward ratio is not an issue anymore, but still you need to obey the rules. Alright? Yes, but there is no yes, but stop loss goes below the A. So I'm telling the student, you didn't read the Fibonacci, my friend. And the student, oh yeah, I did. No, you didn't. The Fibonacci rule is stating that the stop loss must go below or above the A. Period. End of story. And here is the student as always. Yes, but the risk reward was no good. Couldn't enter trading the Fibonacci with the stop loss below the A. The only way for me to enter, based on what you teach, pointing the finger at me, right, is to put the stop loss below the C. And me again. Alright, let's try to understand something here. The issue is not that you have entered the trade, makes sense? The issue is not technical. The issue is your thinking, you know, that you think that you've traded the Fibonacci pattern when you didn't. Does this make sense? And student, hopefully, yes, I did. I entered in the direction of the monthly, weekly, and daily Fibonacci, and I also entered the counter trendline break as you teach. Again, pointing fingers at me. Alright, let's ask a different question. Did the market stop you out? Student, yes it did. Now, this is the next question is key in your understanding. Even if the market stopped you out, is the Fibonacci pattern still there? is the Fibonacci still valid? And the stubborn student, oh yeah, but the risk reward, and me, now I'm getting angry with the student, answer the question. And the student finally admits, oh yes, the Fibonacci is still valid, Oh, I think I'm getting it. Make sense, everybody? You see the shorter trend, the red one, and you believe, you buy the market because you have the monthly Fibonacci is up, the weekly Fibonacci is up, the daily Fibonacci is up, and just because you entered the trade going long, you believe that you are trading the Fibonacci. But because you put the stop loss in the wrong place, stop loss should go below the A, you were really not trading the Fibonacci, you were trading what? Student traders on YouTube, if I put the stop loss below the C, am I trading the Fibonacci sequence or am I trading a different pattern? What's the answer? What's the answer? Hedge fund trader Broto, hedge fund trader Sandy, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader Javen, hedge fund trader Ali, hedge fund trader Conrad, hedge fund trader Clinton. If I put the stop loss below the C, am I trading the Fibonacci or am I trading something different? What's the answer? And don't worry, everybody, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. Melissa said, no, I didn't trade the Fibonacci. Exactly. So if the market stops me at the C, what pattern did change? Exactly, the short-term trend, right? The short-term trend. Everybody from the manual, reread this. So lesson 44, I believe the numbers are mixed, but anyway, reread lesson 44 a few times. You need to psychologically understand this conversation, okay? And remember, whatever reasoning factor you use and tell yourself on why you should break the rules of a pattern, you are not trading that pattern anymore. You are trading something else. And when you lose, your brain is not going to understand why the trade went wrong. Make sense, everybody? Be aware not to mix patterns. If trading Fibonacci, use stop loss according to the Fibonacci sequence, not the short-term trend or market wave. Alright? Try not to mix patterns. Fibonacci is the Fibonacci, the short-term trend is the short-term trend, the market wave is the market wave. Hint, if you are going to use the Fibonacci levels, you will need to zoom in to check and double check levels to make sure if the market did hit or not a level. Market must meet the exact conditions for each level. The Fibonacci must start from the monthly band. Alright, so this is from the manual, everybody. Now let's move forward. Adjust the Fibonacci in a downtrend. Everybody type in the chat a currency pair that you believe is in a downtrend. Last time we were talking about NZD USD. Alright. Yes, you can pick any pair. We're going to start from the monthly bands as always. You know, you have NZD cat, it's in a downtrend. AUD USD, NZD USD, AUD cat. Let me go in here. I don't remember. So open. I'm going to tell you currency pairs that are in a downtrend. AUD cat, AUD USD. You're not euro dollar, GBP not GBP not NZD cat. Not a lot of pairs are in a downtrend. NZD JPY maybe too soon. NZD USD, and I believe we are done. Which one do you want, everybody? AUD cat, AUD USD. We talked about euro dollar maybe. Did we talk about euro dollar, everybody? All right, euro dollar. Why not, right? Euro dollar, euro USD, and euro USD, and euro USD. Euro dollar. Everybody, give me a second. I need to take something. All right, everybody, sorry about that. Euro dollar monthly chart. Let's see euro dollar monthly chart, and as you can see, everybody, Forex is showing you that's the highest high, right? The most recent high, the all-time high. And here is the low. So we are going to start from the highest high, right? Highest high. We're going to do something like this, and as always, we are going to do the ABCD, A, text, B. Everybody, let's make a quick poll. Should you be shorting euro dollar long term, or should you be buying euro dollar long term? What's the answer? No, I'm not talking about day traders, intraday traders. I'm talking about general direction. Remember from the Fibonacci Forex Course 101? Everybody, just quickly, right? Just quickly, where we have the Fibonacci. There you go. Fibonacci. Give it a second. See in here? The original Fibonacci. We use the original Fibonacci to determine trend direction. Then we compare trend direction from the larger time frame to the lower time frame. The last thing we need to identify in what zone are the Fibonacci's on the larger time frame and the smaller time frame. Fibo and Ichi are barking. Something is happening with Bitcoin. Let's check Bitcoin. Whoa. Whoa, Bitcoin falling down. Bitcoin. See? Yeah, I know. Thank you to Fibonacci. When they get angry, something is happening with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin was at 73, now it's 55. All right, all good. Thank you guys, thank you guys. You can start barking. Noticed. Noticed. All right. Down, that has not. Yes, it had the bottom. All right, everybody. So the first one is on me, all right? The A is the highest high, the absolute high, the most recent high. So this is the A, and the B is the first low as soon as possible after the A. A, B. Everybody build your charts. Then we have horizontal line on the A, horizontal line on the B. The C is the highest point, not necessarily a high, but the highest point inside the AB boundary before the market hits the appropriate extension. We need to check if the market hit the blue. It did not, right? Almost. Okay, so no. What does this mean? This means that green still goes to green. So A, B, C, D, that's the C, and down here is our projected the extension. So we are going to move the chart and following the chart, zooming out, and bam, finally the market hit the extension, didn't stop at the 1618 extension, moved forward down, and that is the low, that's the low, A, B, C, D. And as always, everybody, you know the practice. We're going to adjust the original Fibonacci in a downtrend. A goes to C, something like this, and B goes to D, right? So that's the D. Our B goes, we're going to move the green one, is the projected extension. That's our B. Fibonacci retracement tool up in here, and wow, that's it. That's it, everybody. That's it, right? A, B, C, D. That's the C, that's the D. What is the monthly Fibonacci, everybody? What is the monthly Fibonacci telling you? Is the monthly Fibonacci telling you to buy, or is the monthly Fibonacci telling you to sell? What is the monthly Fibonacci telling you? Boss, but the market can do anything it wants. Yes, the market can do anything it wants, but what is the monthly Fibonacci telling you in terms of direction? Fibonacci has a tradable edge, right? What is it showing to you? Melissa saying that only took 15 years. And sell, sure, very good. Shorting the market, right? All right, everybody, so this is the monthly. Let's go check the weekly. Weekly chart, similar story. You know, as always, starting from the high, we are going to have our ABCDs. Text. This is going to be, whoop, that's our A, text. That's our B, text. That's our C, and text. That's our D. And as always, Fibonacci retracement tool, this is our A. The B is the first low as soon as possible after the A. That's the A. That's the B. Everybody, which one is the C? Is the first circle the C? Or is the second circle the C? Which one is the C? Everybody, which one is the C? The first circle or the second? Suresh, long time no see. Chubai retracement is it? I'm not sure what are you talking about. Which one is the C, everybody? Is the first circle, the second circle? Which one is the correct C? The C is the highest point inside the AB boundary after the B before the market hits the appropriate D extension. Which one is the C? The first one, correct, everybody. So that's the C, right? Now, A goes to C. A goes to C, everybody, and B goes to D, right? Do we agree that the market stop us out up in here? Do we agree, everybody? The market stop us out on our down A, B, C, D Fibonacci sequence. So we can move the chart and let's see how the chart is going to progress for us not to waste time. And let's see. Oh, so then the market went down. All right, everybody. Okay, so the market stopped us out up in here. We are not going to waste time with the up Fibonacci because lastly the market is going to push down. So we are going to start our new ABCDs from this high up in here, right? That's the new high. This is the starting point of the new sequence. Very good. Now the first one is on me. So A is in here. The B is down in here. A is the first high, the starting point. The B is the first low as soon as possible after the A. Fibonacci retracement tool from B to A. All right, everybody. Now, which one is the C? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Or is the third circle the C? Which one is the correct C, students? Boss, this is tedious work. Man, what can I tell you? Do you want to make big money, big bucks? I know there are different methodologies, I'm aware of that. I know there are different tools, I'm aware of that too. But Fibonacci can potentially make you big money. And I showed you everybody Douglas account. He made 50% trading the Fibonacci's in 1 month. All right. So let's see how it's going to continue. All right. 50% is quite above of the industry average, but so far so good. We are rooting for Douglas. Suraj says the first one, correct? Yes, sir. We can see it, right? Everybody did not hit the blue, so green goes to green. Green goes to green, so that's our D. That's our D. The market didn't stop at the projected the extension. We need to go down, 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 down. Bam! That's the low. So let's readjust the Fibonacci in a downtrend. Euro dollar with the chart. A goes to C. We're going to move the C somewhere. And B goes down to D. The D must be a low. We're going to move our D2. Right? So A is here. Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's connect the dots and let's move forward. Looking at the sequence. Everybody, now of course, that's the C. Give it a second. That's the C, right? Highest point inside the AB boundary after the B before the market hit the D extension. Green goes to green, so this is the green, 1618, the extension, that's the low, so that's the D, right everybody? So we're going to repeat, we're going to readjust again, so A goes to C, let's move the C somewhere. A goes to C and B goes to D, somewhere down here. Now we're going to do like this. And Fibonacci sequence. We have a new down Fibonacci. Let's zoom out the chart. And which one is the C, everybody? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C, or is the third circle the C? Which one is the C? First circle, second circle, third circle. Somebody saying, why, why I didn't trade in 2015, 2014, look at the money. How much money could I make, potentially. See everybody, what you are looking at right now is the power of the Fibonacci sequence. The third one, correct? The third one, the third one is the C, and red, right? Red goes to red. So hit the red, and the projected extension was in here. The market did not stop, so let's go down, 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 down. We need to find the low, and bam, that's the D. Now look at this money. Can you see it, everybody? You don't need to buy or invest in Bitcoin. Nothing wrong, but you can get wealthy or rich with the Forex market too. You're just looking at a great action, at a great fall, great sequence. Call it as you want it. But anyways, I mean, look at all this money, just shorting the market and shorting the market and building the position, right? Anyhow, A goes to C. We're going to move A goes to C, B goes to D, down here, B goes to D, we're going to move the D, B goes to D, give it a second, and true sir, great, of course. The crypto market is a new market, right? But we start to understand a few things, Number one, cryptos are cyclical. Guess what is going to happen with Bitcoin right now in this year? Let's have fun for a minute, right? Let's have fun for a minute. Bitcoin was 77 something. Guess what is going to happen this year? Most of the time. People are going to. Bitcoin is cyclical. People are going to lose. Exactly. I mean, we're having fun, right? It's pure speculation from my side. Alright, everybody. Anyways, this is the A, that's the B. Let's move forward. Let's try to find the ABCDs. Let's try to find the ABCDs. Euro dollar weekly chart. Which one is the C? Is the first circle the C, everybody? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Or is the third circle the C? Which one is the C? Yes, correct. You have a fear and greed index on the cryptos. It's nice, right? When everybody is greedy, you should get out. When everybody is fearful, Suraj, the third one. Wrong answer. Catch fund trader Melissa, which one is the correct C? Which one is the correct C? Third one, no. The C is the highest point inside the AB boundary after the B before the market hit the appropriate D extension. So the correct answer is the number 2. And we have a projected D extension down in here. Alright, so it's A, B, C, D, and this is the last sequence from Euro Dollar weekly chart. Everybody, what do you think is going to happen here 7 times out of 10? Let's make a poll. What do you think is going to happen starting from here? Boss, what time frame? All time frame. Oh, well, okay, scalpers excluded, but let's talk about if you're trading on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, 8 hour chart, daily chart, what do you think is going to happen from there? Sorry, second one. No big deal, so that's right. Downward move. Alright, so talking about probabilities, everybody, right? Talking about, we are clear that the market can do anything it wants, right? Fair enough? We are clear on the market can do anything it wants, when it wants, but not 7 times out of 10. Can you see it, everybody? Right? 7 times out of 10. What can you see? You have a crown in here on the weekly, and then you have a, I'm not sure if we learned already, and then you have a crown on the daily too. That's the crown. It's also true that we have news events this week, alright? Depending on the news, the market can do anything it wants, but just technically, you know, you have a bigger crown from the weekly chart. You have a bigger crown, you know, that's the bigger crown, the red one. You have the bigger crown, and then you have the smaller crown, the yellow one, alright? So the market is showing to you and telling you, oh, we are ready to go down. Suresh, until the A is taken out, it has to reach the D. Yes, correct. Correct. And Suresh, I'm not sure, but if I told you, but if you open a Darwin X0 account, you have heard the discount code record. You can trade with me Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right? Yes, people are getting funded. I'm proud of my student. Most of my students are getting funded. All right? Not everybody, of course, but most of them. You know, Douglas is getting funded, Yanis is getting funded, Vincent is getting funded. All right? Give me a second. Yeah, should just name a few. All right, everybody, this is the ABCD talking about the Fibonacci sequence on Euro-Dollar weekly chart, right? Euro-Dollar weekly chart. There is no right or wrong. And the last one, daily chart. Get out. Let's get out. And let's go on the weekly chart, and we're going to put a circle. All right, this is where you are going to start your daily Fibonacci's. Sir, please send the link. Oh, give me a second. Give me a second. I'm going to send you a link. Give me a second. Thank you, Crypto Millionaire. Crypto Millionaire just send you a link. Okay, but this is for 20% discount if you go on track record. I believe you have a different discount. Okay, everybody, back to class. So Eurodollar monthly, weekly, and Crypto Millionaire. What are you doing here? This recording will be posted. Crypto Millionaire, you should be the Forex millionaire, not the Crypto Millionaire. I'm just joking. Thanks anyway. All right, everybody. Daily chart. All right. And one more time. Weekly and circle. All right. We might not finish today with the daily, but it's going to be your homework. All right, we are going to start together. Homework. Find the most recent original Fibonacci on euro-dollar daily chart. Homework, find the most recent original Fibonacci on euro-dollar daily chart. Alright, everybody? I have 5 minutes, then I need to go. So, and one more time, I need to get back to the circle because I need to move to the daily. Find the circle. Alright, this is where we're going to start our daily Fibonacci. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So one more time, text. That's our A. Text. That's our B. Text. That's our C. Text. That's our D. A, B, C, D. Alright. Fibonacci retracement tool. There you go. That's the A. That's the B. This is the first low as soon as possible after the A, everybody. That's the C, the highest point inside the AB boundary. Please use horizontal lines to help yourself. Alright, and the D, of course, green goes to green. Now this is a difficult one. I need to use the widget. The green one is at 1.562 and this one is at 1.56253 and this is 24, right? So it didn't hit 2453, didn't hit, so the extension is the next one. So we're looking for a low. Bam, that's a low, this one. That's the D. Alright, everybody? So we're going to connect again. A goes to C, right? A goes to C, B goes to D. And alright, everybody, I'm going to leave you here. Okay, do the homework and see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and study the Fibonacci like a boss. Chart the Fibonacci like a boss. Never forget, everybody, you are the boss of your account. It's not a joke, it's true. Until tomorrow, this